So why is it that for a lot of people, essential oils aren't enough to help them sleep? Well, here's the thing. Essential oils are fabulous. They work with your immune system. They work with your emotions by getting directly into the limbic part of your brain. They help you to relax. However, what they don't have are these electrical nutrients. And what you learned in biology is that your brain is electrical. So it's firing very, very rapidly. And we want to feed that part of it to help it calm itself and become more balanced and stabilized. In order to do that and help the brain relax and slow down, you need energy nutrients. You need these electrical nutrients, flower essences. And that's why we use between 137 and 243 of these electrical nutrients, flower essences, in every single one of our blends to help support your brain to function more calmly, more relaxed, and your entire body to be able to go into a deeper state of sleep and a deeper state of homeostasis. So, if you're struggling with sleep and you've tried essential oils and they're not enough, you may find huge results from ours, because that's what we hear, that people who haven't slept in a really, really long time, like 17 years, are now able to find themselves sleeping better. So, remember, when you're trying to rest, it's really important that we find a way to help the brain relax. And that's what flower essences and Vibra-Nutrients do. You can use it in our blends with essential oils, or you can use our beverage boosters that have no essential oils in them at all, and those too have helped lots of people get a better night's rest.